Miss Folakemi Adibayo. I'm a fashion teacher of sewing classes for Latin. So today I want to show you how to use Inshot app. There are so many things you can do with Inshot app. Are you seeing the app? You can download it from Play Store. You download it from Play Store. You can edit pictures, you can edit videos, you can do all manner of things with it. Most of the time, you tend to find out what you can do with it as you start using it. There were sometimes I had to ask questions, I had to find out how to do a lot of things. Sometimes I may spend hours trying to figure out how to do this, and as you start exploring it, you see so many interesting things you can do with it. Okay, so like pictures, like today now I want to show you how to mix pictures and make it appear in a video form, how you can write on it, how you can make the video to flip fast. Do you understand? How you can make the pictures to flip fast as it's moving in the video form. So many things. Even your video, you can put different videos together, you can take out some part of the videos, you can make some part of the videos to move fast. So if after you've watched this video you have some questions or you have another video you want me to upload, please just ask. Okay, so now I want to try to do picture mix. Picture mix in the sense that I'll be putting different pictures together, and when you upload it to be appearing in video form, you can remove the sound from a video. So for this picture now, there's no sound on picture, so you can remove the sound on your video, but on this picture now you can add your own sound. The sound you can either add a recorded sound that you have already on your phone, or you can decide to record on it while it's moving on the app. So now look at where I'm going to now. This video, I'm going to this video, then I'll click on new. Okay, so now I will just tap on some of the pictures I like to use. Are you seeing? I'm just tapping on it. There's my cursor. So I'll just tap on it as I like. You see it? Different pictures. I think I'll just take like 5 or 6. I have these pictures on my phone already. Okay. So then I'll tap on this this tick. This one down at the bottom. Are you seeing it? Okay, so it's here now. Okay, so this was where I was going to say you can edit it such that depending on what you want to upload it, maybe on YouTube, whether on Instagram. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this? It's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Are you seeing the logo? So whichever way you want it to fit in, you get. Well, I'm not going to be teaching that one today. I just wanted to see it. Let's see the way it's going back to how it was. So whichever way I want the frame to be fit in, see now I can move it to come like this, and I can do it for all the pictures. You see that? I think these are all these ones. Okay, this is the one that did not fit. I just adjust it, right? This one I can adjust it, or I can leave it like that. So if I adjust it too much, picture may disappear. So I can just move it this way. Are you seeing it? Okay, so what else do I want to show us now? Are you seeing? This is all the pictures. You can try to adjust it this way, or you can change the ratio. See this ratio now, it has fit the full screen. You can change the ratio. See, I'm on this down part. You can change the ratio to this. You see, whichever one wants it, but just make sure that you do it for all the pictures. But that's not exactly what I want us to do today. So I want to talk about how you can, for example, now when this video start playing, I see the way it's moving. If you don't want it to take this long, like you want it to just be going fast, maybe you upload so many pictures, so you just go to this this speed, right? So this speed now, the one that comes, the default is 5 seconds. So I can just reduce it to this number of seconds. Are you seeing that? So now to write on it, I don't want this video to be too long. To write on it, so are you seeing where I went to? I went to text. Do I go back? Okay, look at the text here. I click on text. Then let me just write my name, Folake. This Folake now is just for this video. Just for this picture, please. If I want it to appear on all of them, I will just drag it. Look at where my cursor is. I'll just drag this and I'll just keep moving. I'll keep moving till it gets to the end. You see this? If I don't want it to appear on this one, maybe I want another name to appear on this one. I will just go back to my text, write God is good. Write God is good. So that God is good now, I want it to be on only this one. Are you seeing it? Do you see it? the God is good appeared on only this one. So if I want to write on this Folake again, like on this particular picture, or on this one, this first one, this Folake now, I made it to appear on all the pictures. So I want to write another thing. Let me just say fashion teacher. Fashion teacher, and I want it to appear just at the beginning, right? So, and I want it to just, and that beginning is where this needle and thread is. So I will just take it somewhere here, and I'll drag it like this. If it is appearing on the second picture, I'll just take it backward a little. You understand? And you can change the font. Look at this option. Look at this option. This is where you can edit the writing. And look at where I can change the font. Look at where I can change the font. This, right? I can use Alex brush, but I usually like to use Lobster. You see it, Lobster. Since I see that the two names appear on it, so there are so many things you can do. Even this, there's another way you can edit it, changing the color. If you don't want to, look at where I tap to this color wheel. You can change it to this color, this color, this color. See, different color. But black, it looks kind of more formal, right? Then there's another thing you can do. See, see where I am. See where I tapped. I tapped here. This was what brought this. See, if you want the name to come like this, are you seeing it? Wow! As I'm teaching it, I'm discovering more things. Wow. See, depending on the one you want. Like this one too. You're tapping it. See where I am now. Listen. But most times, especially when I'm doing tutorials, I don't usually like too much paparazzi on my tutorials, since it's more of teaching. See the way this one came. Wow, beautiful. Oops, I love it. I love it. Ooh, what is this? Are you kidding me? Yeah, so many things you just be finding out as you're working on it. See this one. Are you seeing it? See that? See this one. Wow, how does this one do? Okay, so after I'm done, because I don't want to do anything on it, I'll just take it back to this basic, like the way it was originally. I just tap on it. I have my video back. So if you want to position whatever you wrote, whether in the middle, this side, I think that's what this is meant for. Okay, this one is increasing the size. Are you seeing spacing? Look at the spacing. I don't want to space it too much. I want to come together, space it like this. Do you see where are you seeing what I'm moving? I believe you are seeing it. Then this one, I think if this one will be affected if I had written many things on it. So okay, so that's that for this one. This one is different writing. So I've shown that. Okay, so I talked so much here. I didn't even talk about the sound. So look at this music now. If you want to add sound on it, usually I like to go exactly to where this part is starting from. If you want to add something else, are you seeing it? You can just add another picture, tap on whether it's video. Even if it's video you want to add to this particular one you are working out, are you seeing that? Just tap on it and add your video. So I think this is simple enough. Okay, for the music, you can record your own sound on it. You can just tap on this one. I tap on music. You can just tap on this record, or you go to your folder. Usually what I do, if I'm not trying to use my voice on the picture mix, I just go to my folder, I click on the music. Then most of the times I don't keep music on my phone because of space. I use videos most of the time. That's what I like to download. So from these videos I may just pick which of anyone that has a sound I like. Maybe this man, the sound playing.
My kids the other.
Okay, so I'll just tick it depending on if I want it to appear on all automatically, depending on the number of seconds these pictures elapse. Do you understand? And I'll click on this tick when I'm done. Then I'll start playing.
I'm gonna spend 85 for my kids the other day.
Did you see that?
Explain something to y'all.
Okay, so the video will just keep playing till it gets to this place. So once you are done, the next thing you have to do is just go to this up part and click on save. Are you seeing it? Click on save, and to just start downloading. Okay, sometimes this advert comes up. Yeah, so that's that about that. That's that about that. Oops, how do I stop this? So I'll just click on this cancel and let this ad leave. So once it's done, it goes automatically to your gallery, and you upload it wherever you want to upload. So the editing was not a perfect one, but at least I know you've seen is an example of what you can do with the app, right? So I think if you want me to do a video explanation for video editing, let me know so that I'll upload it. Please drop your comments, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah.